Today I'm going to show you how to add chapters to your YouTube videos. It is super easy to do and you can do it right in YouTube with TubeBuddy. So let's add chapters to this video together. Here we are in the dashboard of YouTube. So first thing I'm going to do is go to Content. Then I'm going to go to the pencil for the video that I want to add chapters to. Then we're going to scroll down a little bit and we can see here, add chapters. Add chapters to your video to make it easier for your audience to navigate and rewatch specific parts. Then we're going to hit add chapters. Now, if you don't have TubeBuddy, definitely want to get TubeBuddy. So it is a really, really great tool that I use. It really helps with SEO, all of that. So first thing what we're going to do is go back to the beginning here. And we're going to add these chapters along the side. So what I like to do is I actually like to use this in my editing software because I can see where I'm hitting different talking points. You could go through and listen to it again, but I just don't have time for that. So it's easier for me to do it in the editing software. So I'm going to go into my Final Cut. Now this is just the intro. Add a little marker here for 19 seconds. And this is going to be a free annual build tracker. So we are going to go in and you can type it in if you want. Each chapter needs to be at least 10 seconds long, 19 seconds. And this is going to be free annual build tracker principle. Okay. Then I'm going to go back to my editing software and I can see here, these are my talking points. I put these little slides up and I'm going to look for my jump cut. So see how it's two different clips here. So this is where my jump cut starts, is right here. So it's going to be 30 seconds and I can see you don't leave any room for fun. So I also have a blog here that I did on this as well. And that way I can just copy and paste the titles that I have here. So this was 30 seconds. So I'm going to do another chapter here and I'm going to go 30 seconds and then I can just paste it. Now you do want to use SEO in these because people can search them. When you're also in Google, if you're asking for an annual build tracker and you type that into Google, this may come up and it's going to bring you right to that part in the video. So that's a great way to add SEO to your video as well. Next one here, we are going to do, and I'm just scrolling around. So here's the next one. And so I'm going to look for the jump cut right before, and that is 1 minute 59 seconds. So I'm going to go add a chapter, and it's going to be 01:59. Then I'm going to go and you can type it in, or I already have these. So I am just going to copy and paste them because that's going to be faster for me. Here are all the chapters. You can see the intro, the free build tracker. You can see now these are all going to show up in Google search as well, which is awesome. And then if you look in the description box, you can see all of them down here as well. And then you also see the chapters here, which is great. So they can also click through if they want to jump right to that spot, they can. And they can also do that in the description as well. So they want to go to 11:32. There they are right there. That is how you add chapters. Definitely check out my whole playlist on TubeBuddy. I'll have a link for them down below in the description box. They are a great, great tool for SEO.